Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about Indian national symbols. What is the official name of our national flag? The official name of the national flag of Bharat is Tiranga. We have also created a separate video for that. If you want to watch, you can check the link in the description box. Which is our national emblem? National emblem of Bharat is lion, capital of Ashoka. Which is the national anthem of Bharat? Jana Gana Man is the national anthem of Bharat. Who wrote our national anthem and when it was adopted? Jana Gana Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore and it was adopted in 1950. Which is the national song of Bharat? The national song of Bharat is Vande Mataram. Who wrote our national song and when it is adopted? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote this song in 1875 in his novel Anand Math. Officially, it was adopted in 1950. Which is our national motto? Satyamev Jayate. Which is our national personification? Bharat Mata. National animal is Royal Bengal tiger. It was chosen for its strength, grace, immense power, and symbolizing the nation's rich wildlife and cultural heritage. National bird is peacock, as it symbolizes beauty, grace, and pride. Our national flower is lotus, as it represents purity, beauty, wealth, and knowledge. Our national tree is banyan tree, as it symbolizes eternal life, unity, and strength. National fruit is mango because it is indigenous to subcontinent, has thousands of years of cultural and historical significance, and it also symbolizes prosperity and love. Our national vegetable is pumpkin because it is widely grown across diverse Indian conditions and it also significant in Indian culture representing prosperity and abundance. Our national oil seed is castor. India is the world's largest producer and exporter. It is an important crop in ancient Ayurvedic oil production. India's national river is Ganga. It is officially declared in 2008 as it considered sacred and culturally significant, supporting millions of people through irrigation and biodiversity. National heritage animal is Indian elephants. It is declared in 2010. It symbolizes strength, wisdom, and cultural importance in Indian traditions and temples. India's national reptile is king cobra. It is one of the world's longest venomous snake and it also has cultural significance. Our national currency is Indian rupee. National aquatic animal is Ganga river dolphin. It is declared in 2009. It is a rare freshwater dolphin found mainly in Ganga Brahmaputra river system. What is national food of Bharat? Khichdi is considered as the unofficial food of Bharat as it represents the nation's unity in diversity. Our national sweet is jalebi. It is due to its widespread popularity and its iconic presence at every celebration. India's national microbe is Lactobacillus delbrueckii subspecies bulgaricus. It is declared in 2012. It is an important bacteria used in the fermentation of curd and yogurt. It is recognized to highlight India's scientific heritage and contributions to microbiology. Now tell me in the comment what is the national calendar of Bharat. Thanks for watching.